Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I wanted to share with you guys this great way that you can earn more money doing any of these gig apps, whether it's Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, Uber Eats, like really anything that's out there. This is a great way where you can earn more, you can track everything that you're doing. It really just helps you stay organized. So there's this awesome app called Solo. It's available in both the App Store and the Google Store, so whether you have an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't really matter. So I know you guys are always looking for ways to make more money. I mean, who isn't, honestly? So this is definitely something you want to check out. If you download the app and sign up and link one of your gig accounts to it, you can actually get $15 if you use our link down below in the description. So all you have to do to get the $15 is link either your Venmo or PayPal to your Solo wallet, and you will get paid on the Tuesday following your sign up. But I wanted to just go through and tell you guys all the amazing features that it has and what you can do on the app to help you earn more money. Their pay guarantee program was made to help with income instability. So of course, being a gig worker, you don't have a guaranteed income like you would with, let's say, a regular 9-to-5 job. You know, in a regular 9-to-5 job, you know exactly how much you're going to be making every week, or, you know, whenever you get paid, it's like the same amount each time. So because gig working is so inconsistent, it'd be really risky for drivers, they wanted to implement this system just to help make you feel a little bit more secure with your job. And what this does too is that it can help you earn more by working their peak pay periods. So they actually have a schedule that'll show you how much you'll earn in each job for every gig app that you link to the Solo app. That way you can really make the most out of your time and optimize your schedule. This is so important too, like having a schedule for gig working is something that I think every gig worker should do because it just helps you really stay on top of things and have a routine. And they'll also give you an estimate of what your earnings per hour would be. Now, this is the best part about their pay guarantee program. So if your daily pay doesn't meet or exceed their predictions, they will actually pay you the difference. So if that doesn't sound like a good deal, then I don't know what would. This is so helpful to gig workers. I mean, I'm sure you guys would understand. This is why I think it's just such an incredible app that you should sign up for. Alright, so we talk about this on the channel all the time, but it is so important to track your mileage. The reason this is so important is for tax purposes. You can get tax returns on this, which is great. So you really want to make sure that you track all your mileage and your expenses on anything that would help you with your job, either as a rideshare driver or a delivery driver. So on the app, they actually track your mileage for you. This is done automatically, so you don't have to manually put it in. I know that's super annoying. This is really how you can maximize your tax deductions. The app will also match your location with your working time, so you don't need to switch it on and off. It's completely automatic. You let the app do its thing and you can just sit back in your car and do your work. And what's great about this too is that they actually give you tax projections. So they'll give you an estimate of what your federal income tax is going to be. You can really maximize your tax deductions because this is how you're going to get money back from everything you had to spend money on while doing the job. This is why we put such a huge emphasis on this on the channel all the time, because I feel like, especially for new drivers, you know, a lot of people don't know this stuff, or it's something they kind of brush off and wait to deal with once it's tax season. But you really should be worrying about this throughout the whole year so that when it comes time to file your taxes, you're all ready to go and it makes the process super easy. So not only that, but it also shows you insights on how much you earn from each job. So if you're using multiple apps, or let's say you're doing DoorDash and Lyft and Uber Eats all at the same time, you can link all of those into the app and it'll show you how much you're earning from each job with a breakdown of all the tips and the incentives, plus how much you've earned from Solo's pay guarantee. And what's cool too is that there's a leaderboard, so if you're a little bit competitive like me, I'm very competitive, it's kind of a fun little competition where you can stack up to the people at the top of the leaderboard. Maybe if you have some friends who are also gig workers, you guys can sort of compete with each other and see who can earn more, because then it's more of an incentive to try to earn more when you like have something driving you up, you know what I mean? And you know, if you wanted to branch out and try other gig apps, they also have this awesome feature where you can look at the job marketplace. It'll show you more gig jobs within your city, and you can see what the average hourly rates are for each job. All right, so they do have a free service, but if you wanted to use some of their extra features, that are super helpful. There is a 14-day free trial, and after the free trial ends, it will cost $3.99 a month for the basic plan and $7.99 a month for their Solo Pro plan. Anyways, I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you haven't heard of Solo, be sure to check them out. Again, we have a link in the description and you can get $15 just for signing up and linking one of your gig accounts to it. I'd love to hear in the comments how you feel about Solo if you're already using the app, or what you think about it from what I've told you so far. And if you want to see more videos from us, be sure to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.